Hello, seventh graders. This is your counselor, Mrs. Temlitz, coming to talk to you about course selection for eighth grade. Mrs. Coffin and I will be visiting your CTE classes next week, either college and career readiness or data entry, to talk to you about classes for eighth grade. Your eighth grade schedule will include the following classes. You will have your 4 core classes: math, science, social studies, and language arts. You will have a PE section. We'll talk more about that in a minute. One PAW period. You will have a technology credit if you are not completing a CTE technology credit this year, and the remainder of your schedule will be filled with electives. When you are selecting your courses, just like this year in seventh grade, you have a choice to select on-level classes, TAP core classes, or a combination of both. Some of you have asked about Algebra 1 for eighth grade. At the end of seventh grade, we will have an algebra placement test for anyone who is in seventh grade TAP math. If you pass the placement test, you may select Algebra 1 for eighth grade. If not, you will have the opportunity to take Algebra 1 in high school. TAP courses, anyone can enroll, just like this year. Remember though, if you sign up for Language Arts TAP, you will have a summer reading project. If you sign up for Science TAP, you will have a science novel project that you will need to complete. Let's talk about selecting PE and electives. You must complete 4 semesters of PE between 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So that means 2 years. If you took a full year of PE in 6th and 7th grade, you are done. If you did not take a full year of PE in 6th or 7th grade, you will need to take some type of PE selection in 8th grade. If you did take PE in 6th and 7th grade and you would like to take PE in 8th grade, you may. You could either select PE, LOTC, dance, or athletics. Remember though, if you sign up for athletics, that is a full year class and you must commit to playing at least one sport. Something new for 8th grade students only is junior high jumpstart courses. When you go to high school, you will be looking at programs or pathways of study. You can begin exploring these programs and pathways in junior high. You do not have to take these classes before you go to high school. If you have room in your schedule, you might want to investigate these classes. One is Business Information Management, Introduction to CAD, Digital Media, Principles of Applied Engineering, Principles of Hospitality or Tourism, Principles of Human Services, and Fundamentals of Computer Science. You have a sheet that we will be sharing with you called Programs of Study that you can take home to look at with your parents. You will see on there the column that says Junior High Jumpstart. So for example, if you think you might want to go into accounting in college, you could get a jump start in junior high by taking business information management. If you think you want to be a pharmacist, you could also take business information management. You do not have to, it is just an option. Some other full year electives students may take in 8th grade are art, band, choir, orchestra, Spanish 1, Spanish for native speakers, theater 1 or theater 2, or yearbook 1 or yearbook 2. We do have some classes that are semester electives. Health, which will earn you a high school credit, Introduction to Spanish, Discovering Language and Cultures, Professional Communication or Speech, which also earns you a high school credit, Crafts or Office Aid. Course selection will begin next week, the week of January 19th, through your CTE classes. The week of February 16th, we will send home your schedule for you to look at with your parents to be verified. Please remember, we do not want you changing your mind numerous times. Choose wisely. Here's our website if you want to look for more information about course selection or course descriptions. You can go to the website above. You can also contact Ms. Coffin or myself. Here are our telephone numbers. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to working with you next week.